Hi, it's Carrie
and Sydney,
and this is your cocktail of the week. Before you do anything, please hit subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. You won't regret it. Okay, we're gonna do a super easy cocktail right off the bat. The Hibiscus Bomb. I love all these ingredients. We've used them before. They're so yummy. So I'm gonna start with 1.5 ounces of blood orange vodka,
which is so yummy.
This is one of your favorites.
One of my favorites.
1.5 ounces of Laughing Glass Pomegranate Margarita. And I'm just putting this right into a shaker with ice. 1.5 ounces of Hibiscus Liqueur from Green Bar Distilleries.
So good. They are so good.
We love this stuff. So yummy.
They make really good liqueurs of all kinds of flavors.
Yes.
This Hibiscus is really yummy.
And we've used HiBall before. This is the sparkling peach. Don't worry, HiBall doesn't have a whole lot of flavor. But it's just really sparkling water and it's got energy in it. So if you really want to try to, drag the party out,
Wake yourself up.
this is going to be
Exactly.
it. And I just made it for one cocktail, so we should
So I get to I'm sorry. I get to try. Only.
That's
Me
right.
only this time. Which I'm saying.
I'm just pouring it over ice.
Very nice.
Oh, I should put that in a little highball glass. And I don't have any real garnish, but I'll just add a little straw.
Okay, I like it. It looks absolutely
Isn't
lovely.
that what
It's a
people-
very pretty color.
Isn't it?
I really like it. And it's ridiculously delicious. That is so nice because it's not too sweet and you could drink it all night long.
Awesome.
And it's nice and cold.
Enjoy.
Keep drinking it right now.
Subscribe to our channel.
Cheers.
Is it good?
Yeah.